The Galaxy S24 series is now getting one of the most important updates Samsung users have been waiting for. Samsung has started rolling out the new One UI 8 update, which is based on Android 16, just a few days ago. This update was first released in South Korea. Now, it has started reaching international users. Beginning with the UK, if everything goes as planned, Samsung should expand the rollout to more countries around the world before the end of this week. At the moment, the update is showing up first for people who joined the One UI 8 beta program. If you were part of the beta, you're in luck because you might already see the update notification on your Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, or S24 Ultra. But if you weren't in the beta, don't worry. Samsung usually gives beta testers the update first, then expands it to everyone else. Based on how Samsung has handled updates in the past, the wider rollout won't take too long. For some countries, though, it could take until early October to fully arrive. If you're wondering how to install the update, the process is very simple. Open the Settings app on your Galaxy S24, scroll down to Software Update, and tap Download and Install. As soon as the update becomes available in your region, it will start downloading. To make sure everything goes smoothly, it's a good idea to back up your important files first, check that you have enough storage space, and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. These small steps will make the update process safer and easier. Now, let's talk about what One UI 8 actually brings and why it's exciting. Since this version is based on Android 16, it comes with not just a new look but also smarter tools, more AI features, and better personalization. Samsung has worked on making the interface smoother, faster, and easier to use. It also improves performance and battery life, which is something everyone can appreciate. If you've been using One UI 7, you will notice the changes right away. The system icons have a refreshed design, multitasking has been improved, and the lock screen now has more customization options. AI features are built into more parts of the phone, making the experience feel smarter. On top of that, privacy and security are now stronger. The update gives you more control over what apps can do in the background and how they use your data. So you're not only getting a stylish upgrade, but also better protection. Samsung has also worked on making the Galaxy ecosystem feel more connected. If you use other Galaxy devices, such as a tablet, smartwatch, or even SmartThings products at home, One UI 8 makes them work together more smoothly. For example, Samsung's AI Home Vision, which was announced earlier this year, is now more integrated. The goal is to let your Galaxy phone act as the center of your smart home to give you a more seamless experience for people who want to see what's new compared to One UI 7. Samsung has even released side-by-side comparisons. These show how animations are smoother, navigation is easier, and system apps are faster. Samsung doesn't want this to feel like just another routine update. Instead, One UI 8 is meant to feel like a major step forward for Galaxy devices. If you're using an older Galaxy device, you might be wondering if you'll also get this update. The best way to find out is by checking the Samsung Members app. Go to the Notices section inside the app, and you'll see the update schedule for your model. Keep in mind that timing can vary depending on your country and carrier, so some users may have to wait a bit longer. Updates like this are important because they extend the life of your device. Instead of upgrading to new hardware every year, these software updates bring fresh features to your current phone. Samsung has shown before, with devices like the Galaxy S22 Ultra, how powerful these updates can be in keeping older models relevant. Now, with the Galaxy S24 series, One UI 8 continues this tradition. In short, Samsung is rolling out the One UI 8 update to the Galaxy S24 lineup around the world. It started in South Korea and the UK and will quickly expand to more countries. The update brings smarter tools, new designs, stronger security, and better ecosystem connections. If you have a Galaxy S24, keep checking the software update option in your settings because your phone will likely get the update soon. This move from One UI 7 to One UI 8 shows Samsung's commitment to improving the Galaxy experience with each release. Whether you care about better performance, design upgrades, or more AI features, this update has something for you.